Hello there. Today I'm going to be reviewing for you this Polaris brand. This is a storage bag kit for snowmobiles. So with this, it is made of a really sturdy shell. It's got the canvas material on the outside, but it's got that hard sturdy shell, as you can hear. It has its hooks here. It's got 4 of these, so that way you can mount it onto your snowmobile. That way you have that extra storage. You can put your gear in it, your drinks, your food, whatever you're needing in your snowmobile that you can't get, that you need to take with you, but you don't want to necessarily put in a pack and rely just on a pack on your back. That's what you would use this for. So with this, like I said, it is the Polaris brand. It does have the snaps here to be able to open it. And then it has 2 on each side, so 4 total. And then you just simply take those off. So we'll go ahead and take the lid fully off here. And once you get inside, it's got 4 different storage compartments in here. So as you can see, there are the 4 different storage compartments. With these, 2 storage compartments up here actually have little zipper packs on them to keep stuff in. You have little Velcro straps here, so that way you can secure things in there as well. So again, this is the Polaris storage bag kit for snowmobiles. Thank you for watching.